Are you ready to transform your space with neutral home decor that's cozy, chic, and anything but boring? In today's video, I'm sharing 10 creative ways to design a neutral living room no matter your style. Whether you're into warm, earthy vibes or sleek, modern minimalism, I've got you covered. And here's the best part. Make sure that you watch all the way through because I'm sharing my go-to places to shop for neutral home decor to get that high-end look without the high price tag. Hi, I'm Nikki D and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and love making your home look expensive on a budget, subscribe to the channel for a new video every Sunday. And as always, everything from today's video is linked in the description below. Now, I just want to point out that some of the designs that I'm going to show you are from high-end stores, but just know that you can always find a look for less and you can mix high and low together and no one would ever be the wiser. I always recommend that you invest in quality pieces like your sofa, your coffee table, the pieces that you want to last and be timeless. Then you can save on your decor, your area rug, and items that you may want to change out in the future. That's the best way to get that high-end curated look without paying a fortune. Now let's get started. Number one, warm neutrals. We'll start off with warm neutrals. This vibe is all about cozy, inviting spaces that still feel super stylish. Think creamy whites, taupes, and caramel tones paired with natural materials like wool, linen, and wood. It's that lived-in, elevated look we all love. To bring it in your home, start layering textures like jute rugs, boucle pillows, and cozy throws. Then add some warmth with wood accents, brass metallics, and soft lighting. To tie it all together, add a few decor pieces like ceramic vases or wood bowls. And if you're wondering where to shop, I've got you covered. CB2, Lulu in Georgia, and Crate and Barrel are my go-to spots for warm-toned furniture and decor. They make it so easy to create that relaxed, layered vibe. Does this style speak to you? If it does, let me know in the comments below. And if you're into this cozy look but want something a little more refined and elegant, stick around because up next, we're talking modern traditional neutrals. Number two, modern traditional neutrals. Let's talk about modern traditional neutrals, inspired by designers like Amber Lewis and Studio McGee. This style blends timeless elegance with a fresh modern vibe. It's all about layering. Think soft grayish tones, Persian rugs, and clean lined furniture for that perfect balance of classic and contemporary. To get the look in your home, start with a neutral color palette, ivory, beige, or grayish. Layer a patterned area rug over a natural fiber base for depth. Choose furniture with classic details like rolled arms, but keep it sleek and modern. Add warmth with wood accents, soft drapes, and statement pieces like ornate mirrors and vintage-inspired decor. To shop this look on any budget, check out Studio McGee, Amber Lewis, Our House, or Target. As we go through the different neutral spaces, we're going to be looking at a lot of design styles. And if you're not sure what your design style is, make sure that you take the quiz in the description below. Number three, coastal neutrals. Next, we have coastal neutrals, which is the perfect way to bring a breezy vacation vibe into your home. Think whites, sandy tones, and soft blues paired with natural textures like rattan, wicker, and light, airy linens. It's relaxed, fresh, and effortlessly stylish. To get the look in your home, start with a neutral base, white or sandy tones, and then layer in soft blues through your pillows, throws, or artwork. Add texture with a woven rattan chair, a wicker basket for storage, or a light wood coffee table. Keep the space bright and airy with sheer linen curtains and finish it off with coastal-inspired decor like ceramic vases, driftwood accents, or even a simple bowl with seashells. For that beachy vibe, check out Pottery Barn, Serena and Lily, and Kathy Koo Home. They've got everything from furniture to decor and textiles to nail this look. What's your favorite coastal element? Let me know in the comments. And stick around because up next we're diving into another neutral style. Number four, Scandinavian Neutrals. Scandinavian Neutrals blend simplicity, functionality, and coziness in the best way. With clean, minimalist furniture and warm, natural elements like light wood, wool throws, and textured rugs, this style creates a calm, airy feel. The color palette is whites, grays, and light wood tones for a serene vibe. To get the look, start with a neutral base. White walls or light wood flooring work beautifully. Choose simple, functional furniture with clean lines, then layer in cozy touches like a textured wool or faux fur throw, a soft rug, or a few plush pillows. Add life with indoor plants or fresh greenery, and finish the look with a single statement piece like a sleek chair or a sculptural light fixture. It's all about keeping it uncluttered while keeping things warm and inviting. For Scandinavian-inspired shops, check out Castleberry, West Elm, and Crate and Barrel. They have everything that you need to bring this look to life. Before you start shopping, here's a pro tip. Measure your space and create a floor plan first. It saves time, prevents returns, and makes sure that everything fits perfectly. Download a copy of the free PDF in the description below for help creating your floor plan. And if you love minimalist designs with cozy vibes, stick around. Style 7 is packed with one of my favorite design secrets. Number 5. Earthy Neutrals. Next, we have Earthy Neutrals, which is all about bringing the outdoors in. Think muted greens, terracotta tones, and sandy browns paired with organic textures like jute, rattan, and linen. It's a calming vibe that creates warmth and natural beauty without being overwhelming. To get the look in your home, start with a nature-inspired palette. Olive green pillows, a terracotta vase, or sandy brown throw. Layer in organic textures like a jute rug, rattan chair, or linen curtains. Add earthy ceramics like a clay pot or a textured vase, and include subtle botanical touches such as dried pampas grass or a small olive tree. For furniture, go for smooth, modern shapes to keep it fresh, and add warmth with bronze or antique gold accents. It's the perfect mix of natural elements with a contemporary feel, creating a serene, grounded space. For earthy, outdoor-inspired decor, check out Design Within Reach, CB2, or Crate and Barrel for pieces that will bring this calming style to life. Number 6. Rustic Luxe Neutrals. Next, we're diving into Rustic Luxe Neutrals, a style inspired by high-end stores like our house. It's the perfect mix of rustic charm with a luxe twist, bringing cozy warmth and sophisticated elegance to your space. Think weathered wood, stone accents, and rich textures like velvet and linen that make your room feel inviting yet elevated. To get this look, start with statement pieces like a rustic wood coffee table or a reclaimed wood console. Layer in soft grays, taupes, and natural tones with your upholstery and decor. Then add luxurious textures like a velvet throw or linen pillows to take your design to that next level. For the finishing touch, add oversized vases, chunky knit throws, or vintage-inspired accents. And don't forget the stone details, like a stone table lamp or decorative bowl, to really bring in that natural element. To shop this cozy yet elevated style, check out Our House, Pottery Barn, or even Wayfair. They've got all the rustic wood, luxe textures, and oversized decor you'll need. Now, if you're in the mood for something a little more retro, stick around because up next, we're going to be looking at mid-century neutrals. Number 7, mid-century neutrals. If you love a retro touch with a modern twist, mid-century neutrals are the way to go. This style combines warm wood tones with neutral upholstery. Think beige, gray, or ivory to create that classic mid-century vibe. To keep it fresh, add bold pops of color like mustard yellow, olive green, or burnt orange. It's playful, polished, and super cool. To bring this look in your home, start with iconic pieces like a walnut coffee table, an Imes accent chair, or a sleek sofa with tapered legs. Layer in geometric or abstract patterns with a rug or throw pillows for that vintage vibe. Add a pop of color with accent chairs or decor in muted tones like mustard or olive. And keep the space minimal. Highlight those clean lines and retro charm. To shop the look, check out Design Within Reach, West Elm, or Amazon for budget-friendly finds. Next, let's change it up and look at a style that's all about sleek, clean lines. Modern neutrals. Number 8, modern neutrals. Modern neutrals are all about sleek, minimal style. Think crisp whites, cool grays, and clean lines paired with contrasting materials like glass, metal, and matte black accents. If you're into a polished, clutter-free look, this one is for you. To create the look in your home, start with a monochromatic color palette. Layer grays, whites, and charcoals to add depth and contrast. Choose minimalist furniture with bold geometric shapes and include statement pieces like a glass or marble coffee table and a matte black lamp. Keep your decor simple with clean lines and minimal accents. And for that extra edge, mix glossy surfaces with matte finishes for contrast. And of course, keep things clutter-free for that high-end contemporary look. To get this look, check out Crate and Barrel, Design Within Reach, and CB2. Number 9, Luxe Neutrals. Next, let's talk about Luxe Neutrals, where glamour meets sophistication. Soft grays, blush tones, and metallic accents come together to create that high-end, luxurious vibe. Think statement pieces like tufted ottomans and oversized mirrors to instantly elevate any space. To bring this look to life, start with a neutral palette of champagne, ivory, soft grays, and blush tones. Mix in luxurious textures like velvet and silk for your furniture and decor. And don't forget the metallics. Gold accents work beautifully for statement pieces like oversized mirrors or crystal lighting. For that extra touch of luxury, add furniture or textiles with intricate patterns. These little details will make all the difference and give your home that designer high-end look without the high price tag. For the best selection, check out Our House, Perigold, Iholt, or Kathy Koo Home for those rich textures and metallic finishes. So how do you feel about the Luxe Neutral style? Is it over the top or do you love it? Let me know in the comments below. I also want to point out that many of the stores that I listed are high price stores, but you can always put them into Google and do a reverse image search and get the look for less. So any products that you love, just try to find something for less and swap it out. Lastly, we are looking at transitional neutrals for the perfect balance of sophistication and timelessness. Number 10. Transitional neutrals. Transitional neutrals are all about blending traditional and modern styles for a look that feels both timeless and fresh. Combine neutral tones like grays, taupe, and ivory with updated furniture pieces to create a balanced, welcoming space. To get the look, mix classic elements like wood furniture or traditional patterns with more modern fabrics or finishes. Stick with the neutral color palette and use subtle patterns for depth without overwhelming the space. The key is to choose furniture that's current but timeless. Transitional neutrals give you the best of both worlds, elegance and contemporary style. It's the perfect way to design a living room that balances classic charm with modern flair. And to be honest, it's one of the most popular design styles. For that perfect balance, check out Our House, Pottery Barn, or Wayfair for furniture and decor that'll help you create a timeless yet elegant look in your home. And that, my friends, is a wrap. You've now got 10 ways to create a stunning neutral living room in your home. Which neutral style is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing what inspires you. Looking for even more design help? Sign up for my course, Design a Home 101, linked in the description. It's your step-by-step guide to creating a space you love without hiring a designer. And if you're ready to shop any of these looks, check out the links in the description below for everything from high to low-end decor that'll help you recreate these styles in your home. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend who's ready to refresh their space. For even more decorating tips and design inspiration, check out this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.